Hey guys, R20 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get Cinema 4D R20 for free. So you see that I already have a shortcut. This is take 5. So you're going to want to download this file from the link in the description. If you do not have 7-zip or WinRAR, links also in the description for both of those. You need one of them. So once you have one of those installed, click extract here on the desktop. You'll get this file, open this, select your language, and go through the installation. When you get to this page though, you're going to want to open up this readme thing, copy this right here, press Ctrl C, exit, Ctrl V, and click continue. Okay, once the installation's finished, uncheck Start Cinema 4D and click Finish. And then all these up here you can get rid of except for the Cinema 4D one. That's the one you'll need. So you're going to right click it, click Open File Location. My file location is different from yours because I moved it. Then we're going to open up this core libs. And we're going to drag this C4DP thing into here. Close, close, and that's it. You have Cinema 4D R20. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you did and subscribe if you're new. Would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.